friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw stitch surfing, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to draw stitch slightly further over to the right because we want to leave enough room for the water underneath. So starting in the middle, closer to the right, we're going to draw an arch line right in the center for the nose. We're going to arch that in the opposite direction, closing off the bottom. Let's draw in the nostrils here now. So we're going to curve this out, down and in, and then we'll replicate that on the right. Let's color that in black. Let's add some details above the nose here. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, and then stepping up, replicating that, adding in a smaller one. Let's move down for the mouth. So drawing in a small straight line right in the center. On the left, curving this out, down, and ticking that back up. And then we'll replicate that on the right. Let's close this off underneath now with an arch line. Let's add in a corner bracket on each side. Let's draw in the teeth from the middle, curving this down and up on the left and right hand side to create a triangle. Stepping across, let's replicate that, making this one bigger and wider. And then one more time, making this one smaller again. Let's come down in the center again, drawing in two small triangles for the teeth. Stepping across, replicating that, making this bigger. Let's step across, curving this out and down. And then one last time, bringing this up. Now for the tongue, we're going to curve this in towards the center. And then again, we're just going to arch this up and out. Let's draw on the eyes. So coming across, we're going to curve this line up, around, tucking that in towards that point, replicating that on the opposite side. For the highlight and stitches eyes, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. And then now let's just color in our pupil black. Let's draw on the face, stepping up. We're going to round this out, curving this over and down. Let's close off the bottom of the face here, curving this around and back up. We're going to draw in a small curved line, pulling that in towards the mouth. Let's frame around the eyes. So stepping down, we're going to curve this up and over. And then now underneath, just curving this around, taking that back in to the side of the face. For the top of the head, we're going to curve that in on both sides. Finishing the tuft of hair, we're going to curve this up, pulling that back down. We'll arch this line across, tucking that back in. Again, curving that over and then back down. Let's draw on Stitch's ears. On the left, we're going to curve this out, up, pulling that in. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this back down. Let's close off the bottom from that inside edge, curving that up. And then we'll round out the top of the ear, pulling that into the head. Let's do a similar thing on the right. So we're going to curve this up, over, tucking that in. Again, let's draw in a sideways triangle. And then let's continue to tuck this down to the side. Let's step up, curving that out. And then we'll round that out as we come in towards the top. Let's draw in the body here. So stepping down from the center, coming out, we're going to curve this all the way around, pulling that in on the right. Now from here for the little tuft of hair in the middle, just curving that out and through. And then one more time, pulling this down and over. Underneath, let's draw in a curved line. Let's draw in the feet now. So we're going to curve this out on either side. Moving underneath, curving this around and in. Let's step across into the middle, replicating that. And then again, moving over, finishing that off. For the toes, we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines as we come across. Round out the leg, pulling that over and tucking that in. Now for the torso, curving that up. Let's draw on Stitch's arms here. So we're just going to draw on a small curved line that comes down on both sides. And then we're going to round that out on the very top, arching that over. Now for that first finger, we're going to step down, curving this out, tucking that in. For the thumb, curving this over and back in. In the center, curving this around and down for that center finger. One last time for the pinky, curving this down, up, and then connecting that together. Now right in the middle, let's draw in a circle in the palm. Let's draw on the claws. So we're going to curve this line out, tucking that back down. Let's replicate that on the thumb. Let's do the same thing in the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing for the pinky. Let's close off the arm coming underneath. So we're just going to curve this up towards that claw on the thumb. And then we'll continue to extend that through towards that torso. Let's draw on the surfboard underneath now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, extending that across. Let's round out the back here, curving this over and into the center. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back in, connecting that together. Let's draw on a straight line coming through the center, all the way over to the right. We're going to replicate that again, dropping down, drawing in another straight line, pulling that across, finishing that off. Let's draw on the waves behind. So underneath, we're going to curve this out, tucking that in, moving up, replicating that, bringing that down. Let's come up again, curving this over and in. Again, let's pull this up and down. We're going to make a big splash here on the wave, so we're just going to curve this around, in and down. From coming up here, we're going to curve this back in. And then one more time, just curving this up, down, and in towards our surfboard. We're going to draw in an oval on the left. And then moving up on a diagonal, let's replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw stitch surfing. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.